Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on face recognition and attendance system. I had a lot of videos on face recognition and attendance system. But today's video is really different from all the videos of attendance system. In my every video of attendance system, it took a lot of time to mark the attendance, to recognize the face. In my every video of face recognition, also it took a lot of time to recognize the face and detect the face. But this video is really great. In this video, I recognize the face and mark the attendance in fraction of second, and that is the speciality of this video. So please watch this video till the end, and I am guaranteed that everyone will like this video. So please watch this video till the end. So we have done a lot of videos on attendance system using Stimulite. We have done a lot of videos on face recognition using Tkinter, using DLIB library, using MySQL, using MongoDB, face login and this thing. Then we have done a lot of videos on attendance system using Stimulite, then face login and this. I got an overwhelming response from such type of videos. So I decided some unique videos to do today. So I will show you the initial state of the program. Here training images are not there, fine, and here in student detail my attendance is not there, only ID and name is there, fine, and attendance nothing is there. Now we'll see main program, that is train.py. This is our main program. Little bit lengthy. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Face recognition based attendance system. I will take my ID as 121 and name Sanjay Mahajan. Now I will take I have enlarged the screen so you can see it properly. Now take the image. Fine. Take the image and train the image. Within fraction of second the images are trained. Then track the image. Yes, 121 Sanjay Mahajan has been there. Here attendance is marked, name, date, time. Front end is also coming, back end is also coming. Now I will quit. Now I will show you attendance. Yes, you can see enlarged screen. Time is also noted, 18, and name and ID and date. Yes, fine. Now I will show you the student list. This is the first time that everything is working fine. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning. I will be back with projects on machine learning using attendance system in Python. I will be back with more creative videos on face recognition project using machine learning using Python. Then unsupervised learning videos. Then web development using Python, then microservices using Python, Node.js, React.js, and many more videos. So for innovative videos, please watch my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.